Hello, welcome to LN Math Group Online Institution. Today we'll discuss the graph of polynomial p of x equal to x square minus 2x minus 3 and find the zeros of the graph. So now we can take the input values as x, then x square negative 2x, that is minus 2x minus 3. Then y equal to the total of x square minus 2x minus 3. Then we can take the plotting points x comma y. Now we can take the x values from minus 3 to 3, that is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Now x square will be minus 3 square is 9, minus 2 square is 4, minus 1 square is 1, 0 square is 0, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square is 9. Then minus 2 times 2 minus 3, that will be 6. Minus 2 times 2 minus 2 will be the 4. Minus 2 times 2 minus 1 is 2. Minus 2 times 0 is 0. Minus 2 times 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 times 2 is minus 4. Minus 2 times 3 is minus 6. Then we can take minus 3 is a constant term. We can replace the minus 3 only for each and every calculation here. So now I can simplify the x square minus 2x minus 3. Now 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 minus 3 is 12. 4 plus 4 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. 1 plus 2 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Then minus 3. 0 minus 3 is minus 3 only. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 3 is minus 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 minus 3 is minus 3. 9 minus 6 is plus 3. Plus 3 minus 3 is 0. Now we can take in the form of ordered pair. That will be x and y. Minus 3 and 12. Minus 2 and 5. Minus 1 and 0. 1 minus 3. Then 1 minus 4. 2 minus 3. Then 3 and 0. Now we can plot these points in the graph. We can take here the horizontal line as x-axis, the vertical line as a y-axis. You know, x horizontal line is x-axis, and this is negative x-axis. This is y, little bit is y, and y dash. The scale I'm taking as x and y axis as a 1 into only. You can see now I can plot the points negative 3 and 12. It will be a little bit out of the graph. I can take here. Then negative 2 and 5. I can plot here. Negative 1 and 0. Negative 1 and 0 on exactly the y-axis. 0, negative 3 exactly on the negative 1 and 0 on x-axis. 0 and negative 3 on y-axis. 1 and negative 4 I can plot here. 2 and negative 3 I can plot here. X and y coordinates here. Then 3 and 0 exactly on the again x-axis only. Now I can join these points. The free-handed curve, we remember, that is like this. I can join this point. I can take negative 3 and 12 will be here. So I can join from here like this. Then I can like this. Now this is the graph. I can plot, write the coordinates also. Minus 3 12, minus 2 5, next minus 1 0, 0 minus 3, 1 minus 4, 2 minus 3, 3 comma 0. Now the graph is cross the x-axis at these 2 points. Okay, that's why I can name them as zeros. Zeros are negative 1 and 3 because the given parabola crosses the x-axis, that particular value of x-axis is known as zeros. That's why I'm taking the zeros as negative 1 and 3. So now I can write the scale on the right side with the graph. It will be x and y axis scale. X-axis I'm taking as a 1 centimeter as 1 unit. I can write the same x-axis. 1 centimeter is 1 unit, and y-axis also the same I'm taking. Sometimes the scale will be changes depend upon the given equation. So now we can move to the next question. Find the median of the graph. So the class interval and frequency is given. First we need to see that whether the given classes are exclusive or not. So 45 to 65, 65 to 85, 85 to 105 and so on. So 65 is a first class upper limit that is continued in the next class lower limit. So that's why it is a exclusive class. Directly we can take. Sometimes it is not given exclusive classes. We need to convert them into the exclusive classes form. Then we can go for the calculation. Please remember that. Now I can take the required table. We require 3 columns for this. Now first one will be the class interval frequency and cumulative graph. The classes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now I can take class interval as the first column, Ci, frequency as the second column, cumulative frequency as the third column. Now given classes are 45 to 65, 65 to 85, 85 to 105, 105 to 125, 125 to 145, 145 to 165, 165 to 185. Now the frequencies are 4, 7, 8, 3, 12, 9 and 7. Cumulative frequency means we can add the frequencies from top to bottom. 4 you can take the same. 4 plus 3 I can write, that is 11. Similarly 11 plus 8, that will be as a 19. So 19 plus 3, directly I'm writing here 19 plus 3 as a 22. 22 plus 12 as a 34. 34 plus 9 as a 43. 43 plus 7 as a 50. So now the total n value will be here is 50. Now I can take n by 2 to decide the median class. N by 2 is nothing but 50 by 2, which is 25. 25 is the value fall after 22 and before 34. So now I can take this class especially as a median class because the cumulative frequency will fall in this class. That's why I can take this as a median class. I can write here. Now I can take the required values for the calculation. F, the frequency of the median class, that will be the 12. F is the median class frequency, that will be the 12. This is F. And CF is the cumulative frequency of the preceding to the median class, that is 22. And L is the lower boundary of the median class, 125. And H is the size of the class, that is difference between the two successive lower or upper limits, that is 125 minus 105. I can take the difference, or I can take the difference of these also. 145 minus 125, that will be the 20 as the H. Now I can use the formula to calculate median. which is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F times 2H. This total calculation can be added up to L. Now, I can take the required values. L is nothing but 125 plus N by 2 as a 25 minus CF will be 22, F will be 12 times to H is 20. Now 125 plus 25 minus 22 is 3 or 12 times to 20. 3 times 1, 3 times 4, 4 times 1, 4 times 5, that is 125 plus 5. That will be 130. So the median of the given data will be 130. Thank you.